Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about DeepCool MORPHEUS ATX Plus case. So friend, DeepCool introduces the MORPHEUS Modular ATX Plus case, a game changer design for seasoned case modders and everyday PC building enthusiasts alike. The MORPHEUS redefines modularity, providing a flexibility to seamlessly switch between single and dual chamber configuration, complete with a vertical GPU mount and Gen 4 is equal for an elevated user experience. And friend, the Morpheus features the high airflow panels covering the front, right, top, bottom, rear, and even the top of the PSU shroud. High flow mesh filter for the front, top, and bottom panels ensure a dust-free environment. Monitor CPU and GPU idles with the integrated double-shaded digital screen. Choose between CPU and GPU temperature utilization and both with seamless switches at 5-second intervals and the user-friendly application puts display control in your hands. And friend, the ATX Plus form factor guarantees broad compatibility accommodating eATX motherboards, GPUs up to 480 mm in length, 195 mm tall CPU coolers, and multiple 420 mm radiators. Access a plethora of devices through the top front I/O panel featuring 4 USB 3.0 ports, a Type-C port, hybrid audio port, tech control with LED cycle button managing the built-in ARGB controller, complemented by an HDD activity LED and a power button. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.